Hello everybody, Princess and the Bear here. We're back. Of course, you guessed it. We're here for another Disney Food at Home remake.
We got a box of no evil food meats and we decided, hey, let's Disney-fy it as we try it.
So today, since we haven't been back in a while, we're taking our culinary palettes to Batu.
Woo-hoo!
So yes, we're going to try to remake a plant-based version of the Ronto Wrap. So we're just going to make our own. Hopefully no Rontos are harmed in the cooking of this dish.
Of course not. We don't eat real Rontos. We plant-based.
I mean, you don't eat real Ronto.
Okay. I mean, he has had the Ronto Wrap before, so he's going to be our baseline comparison.
Yeah, we sort of forgot to video that one because I was hangry, but either way, now we're going to make it and we're going to see how it turns out. So we're going to dig in over here and we will see you soon.
Be sure to beep boop beep.
You heard the girl. Done. Our first homemade Ronto Wrap. And again, no Rontos were hurt during the filming of this video.
All no evil meats.
No evil, except for the little guy back there.
He's
evil.
Maybe smidgen.
And this one because, well, all Sith and
I Sith.
Not so much so.
I Sith.
So this is really easy to make, honestly.
Yeah.
Obviously, as usual, we went a little bit extra with the slaw. It wasn't really that hard to cook. I will say the no evil sausages don't grill that easy. So we had to transfer to a skillet halfway through. You guys saw that already. But other than that, it came out pretty easily. It's just basically like a hot dog with fixins at the end of the day. But elevated like half a step.
Okay, so.
As the princess would say, let's taste this before we congratulate ourselves too much. Ronto Dink. Whew. That sausage is dense, but firm. It's extremely dense, like a lot more dense than normal sausage. Just like packed in there. So it's a chew, but it's a good chew because it's flavorful all the way through. It doesn't have that like plant-based cardboard sort of taste. Like it's
really
very well
good.
seasoned. The texture is good. Even after having to grill it and transfer it, so at least that didn't ruin it.
My mouth is on fire a little bit.
It is a bit spicy, like mid-mouth. I give it like a 3-4 out of 10 on the heat scale.
I'd probably give it like a 5 or a 6 on the heat scale.
Again, I'm dead inside, so mileage will vary. But I think our first Ronto Wrap turned out pretty good. We will probably do this again at some point.
I would agree. This is a great like midday snack meal, I feel.
As long as you have the slaw. And like I said, you don't have to
Yeah.
be extra. Go pick up some like bags
Pre-packaged slaw, yeah.
It's like $1.50 and then just
throw it together.
Peppercorn sauce we made from scratch. Took literally 5 minutes. So simplify it, do what you need to, but definitely cook this.
Maximum 15-minute meal.
Right. As always, if you guys have any thoughts on this recipe or anything else that you want us to try, always the comments will be the place to leave that.
If you've made this dish before, absolutely comment and tell us what you thought of it.
Alright. And hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this. And
we have new videos 5 days a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
And we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
These hot dogs, so I think it would be fun to make stuff with. How fun is that? Never had sausage like this before. This is gonna be fun. Let's cook this up.